हेलो फ्रेंड, कैसे हैं आप? First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving an extraordinary response to my first video of the series, that is the best key techniques to make you hired. Friend, today we are here to the second part of the series. Friend, the decision maker of this entire hiring process is only one person, and that is the hiring manager itself. Friend, this hiring manager is always a busy guy. यार उसके पास कभी भी समय नहीं रहता है. He is always busy in his meetings with his supervisor, with his colleagues, with his teammates. Somehow he could find 1 hour to interact with you in your interview. So guys, he has to take this decision whether to hire you or reject you in this 1 hour only. Guys, you are fortunate enough that you have to face this guy only for 1 hour. भाई, आपको अपना जिंदगी का सारा एक्सपीरियंस सिर्फ इस 1 घंटे में बताना है. You have to make this 1 hour most impactful. Guys, you have to make this 1 hour as the best 1 hour of your life. Friend, you have to give your 1000% in this 1 hour only. Friend, this interviewer has this 1 hour only, and you are with your complete experience. You should always be dominating him in this interview. I don't know. I don't believe how any interviewer can reject any candidate in an interview. I don't know. Friend, you have to filter your best experience out of this complete experience and practicing it regularly. Guys, I believe it is just a matter of how you deliver the answers. Guys, let me tell you, ये जो इंटरव्यूअर है ना, इसके सारे क्वेश्चन हर कैंडिडेट के लिए सेम होते हैं. And now it is individual's responsibility how he or she can deliver the answer, how he and she can add value to their answers. Guys, जिसने ज्यादा वैल्यू ऐड कर दिया, he got selected. Guys, you have to influence this hiring manager in this 1 hour only. Guys, you have to demonstrate that how you can add value to his job requirements, how you can be the best potential asset for him in the future. Guys, that you have to demonstrate in this 1 hour only. इतना एफर्ट डालना है कि ऐसा दिखना चाहिए that you are the best candidate for this position. भाई, ये सीखना पड़ेगा कि आप कैसे अपने एक्सपीरियंस को इतने इम्पैक्टफुल तरीके से डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर पाओ. ये सीखना पड़ेगा. You have to learn it, guys. कैसे करोगे? That you have to find a ways. Friend, I hope I have added some value to you today. Guys, if you find this video is helpful to you, you can like my video and can subscribe to my channel. Friend, come and join Easymyinterview and see the magic. Friend, I am T. Chandra, एक interview coach and the founder of Easymyinterview. I will see you in my next video. By then, bye bye, take care. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep growing. See you. Bye bye. Take care.